Hello guys, it's my third video about the bearing, the sine rule and the cosine rule. I hope you have watched my first two videos on YouTube about circle theorems, their proofs and their applications and liked them. Please subscribe my channel Professor Mechanics on YouTube. Thank you. Let's start with the bearing. What is bearing? A bearing is an angle measured clockwise from north. It is given using 3 digits. In the above figure, angle A and angle B, they are called supplementary angles or allied angles, and their sum should be 180 degree. I mean A plus B should be equal to 180 degree. The bearing of B from A is 52 degree. It means the angle B is 180 minus 52 degree, which is equal to 128 degree. Now the bearing of A from B is 360 degree minus 128 degree, which is equal to 232 degree. Now I am going to solve the example taken from the textbook. A ship sails 22 km from A on a bearing of 42 degree and a further 30 km on a bearing of 90 degree to arrive at B. What is the distance and bearing of B from A? That we have to find. Now the solution of this problem is in triangle ACD. AD upon AC is equal to cos 42 degree. Why? Because we already know cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So AD upon AC is equal to cos 42 degree and AD is equal to AC cos 42 degree. But AC is given, its value is 22 km. So substitute the value of AC, we have AD is equal to 22 cos 42 degree, which is equal to 16.35 km. I have used to find this value. Now again DE upon AC is equal to sine 42 degree. I have used trigonometric ratios. Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So D upon AC is equal to sine 42 degree and DE is equal to AC sine 42 degree. Substitute the value of AC, which is 22 km. Therefore D is equal to 22 sine 42 degree and DE is equal to 14.72 kilometer. In triangle ABE, AB square is equal to 16.35 square plus 44.72 square. I have used Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to 2267.2. Now take the square root on both sides. Hence AB is equal to 47.6 kilometer, which is the distance between points A and B. Now tan theta is equal to 16.35 upon 44.72. I have used the same triangle ABE. So tan theta is equal to 0.366 and theta is equal to inverse tan of 0.366, which is equal to 20.1 degree. So the angle BAE is 20.1 degree. Now 42 degree plus x plus theta, that is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because angle between north and east is 90 degree. Now substitute the value of theta. So x is equal to 90 minus 42 minus 20.1. So x is equal to 27.9 degree. Hence bearing of B from A, that is equal to 69.9 degree. Now next question is, a ship sails 200 km on a bearing of 243.7 degree. A part, how far south has it travelled? B part, how far west has it travelled? So the bearing is given, which is 243.7 degree. In order to find the angle between AOC, we should subtract 180 degree from 243.7 degree, which is equal to 63.7 degree. Now in triangle AOC, OC upon OA is equal to cos 63.7 degree, and OC is equal to OA cos 63.7 degree, but OA is equal to 200 kilometer. Therefore OC is equal to 200 cos 63.7 degree, or OC is equal to 88.61 kilometer, which is how far south the ship travelled. Now the B part. OB upon OA is equal to sine 63.7 degree. Therefore OB is equal to OA sine 63.7 degree. But OA is 200 kilometer. So OB is equal to 200 sine 63.7 degree. So how far this ship travelled? That is equal to 179.3 kilometer. Now move to next question. The question is, the bearing of Alexandria from Paris is 128 degree. Calculate the bearing of Paris from Alexandria. Now the solution is shown. Bearing of Paris from Alexandria is equal to 360 degree minus 52 degree, which is equal to 308 degree. Now the next question is, a ship sails 35 kilometer on a bearing of 42 degree. A part. How far north has it travelled? B part. How far east has it travelled? Now in triangle ACD, AD upon AC is equal to cos 42 degree, because cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. So AD is equal to AC cos 42 degree, but the value of AC is 35 kilometer. So substitute the value of AC in the equation. Therefore AD is equal to 35 cos 42 degree, which is equal to 26 kilometer. So the ship is how far north? That is 26 kilometer. Now again, in the same triangle ACD, CD upon AC is equal to sin 42 degree, and CD is equal to AC sin 42 degree, but AC is 35 kilometer. So CD is equal to 35 sin 42 degree, which is equal to 23.4 kilometer. So the ship is 23.4 kilometer from east. Okay, now the next question is, the bearing of B from A is 105 degree. Find the bearing of A from B. Yes, bearing of B from A is given, which is 105 degree. So the angle B should be 180 minus 105 degree, which is equal to 75 degree. Bearing of A from B is 360 degree minus 75 degree, which is equal to 285 degree. So the bearing of A from B is 285 degree. Now guys, I will explain when the sine rule is used and when the cosine rule is used. If two angles and one side are known, use the sine rule. But if two sides and the included angle or all three sides of a triangle are known, use the cosine rule. Their rules are shown in the diagram. Now guys, the next question is, the diagram shows the position of two ships A and B and a coast guard station C. The bearing of the coast guard station C from ship A is 146 degree. Calculate the bearing of ship B from ship A. Okay, now we are going to solve this problem. Using cosine rule, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2 into AC into BC into cos theta. That is cosine rule. Substitute the values of AC, BC and theta. We get AB square is equal to 95.5 square plus 83.1 square minus 2 into 95.5 into 83.1 into cos 101 degree. In this way, we get AB square is equal to 19054.4 after using calculator. Then AB is equal to 138.04 kilometer. Now I am using sine rule in the triangle ABC. Sin y upon 83.1 kilometer is equal to sin 101 upon 138.04 kilometer. And sin y is equal to 83.1 times sin 101 upon 138.04. Hence sin y is equal to 0.591. I have used calculator. Now angle y is equal to inverse sine of 0.591. So angle y is equal to 36.2 degree. Bearing of ship B from ship A is equal to x. What is this? This one is x. Which is equal to 146 degree minus 36.2 degree. Hence x is equal to 109.8 degree. Now the next question is, the bearing of D from A is 30 degree and the angle CAD is 34 degree. Find the bearing of B from A, and number 2, A from B. Now the solution is, let angle CAB is x, then x plus 50 degree plus 85 degree is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Sum of angles of triangle. So from here x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree minus 85 degree, and x is equal to 45 degree. So bearing of B from A is 45 degree plus 35 degree plus 30 degree, which is equal to 109 degree. Second part, y plus 50 plus 109 is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Sum of angles of allied angles. Therefore, y is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree minus 109 degree, or y is equal to 21 degree. Hence bearing of A from B is equal to 360 degree minus 50 degree minus 21 degree, which is equal to 289 degree. In this question, the diagram shows a right angled triangle. We are going to find the value of x, which is the side of right angled triangle. We already know sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So sine 35 degrees is equal to x upon 12, or x is equal to 12 times sine 35 degree. Now x is equal to 6.88 centimeter. I got this value after using calculator. In this question, the diagram shows two triangles ABD and BCD. Side AD is equal to 16.5 centimeter and side BD is equal to 12.4 centimeter. Angle ADB is equal to 64 degree and angle BDC is equal to 53 degree. Also angle DBC is equal to 95 degree. We have to find the side AB. In order to find this side AB, we use cosine rule. So AB square is equal to 16.5 square plus 12.4 square minus 2 into 16.5 into 12.4 into cos 64 degree. And AB square is equal to 246.63. Taking the square root on both sides, we have AB is equal to 15.7 centimeter. Now we are going to find the side BC. Now I am using triangle BCD, and I am using sine rule for this triangle. Now BC upon sine 53 degrees is equal to 12.4 upon sine 32 degree. Therefore BC is equal to 12.4 times sine 53 degree upon sine 32 degree, which is equal to 18.7 centimeter. So the length of side BC is 18.7 centimeter. Okay guys, now the new question is shown in the diagram. BC is a vertical wall standing on horizontal ground AB. D is the point on AB where AD is equal to 58 meter. The angle of elevation of C from A is 26 degree, and the angle of elevation of C from D is 72 degree. Show that AC is equal to 76.7 meter. Now in order to find this result or to get this result, we are using sine rule. So AC upon sine 108 degree is equal to 58 upon sine 46 degree. Therefore AC is equal to 58 sine 108 degree upon sine 46 degree. Then AC is equal to 76.683 meter, or AC is equal to 76.7 meter. Which is the required result. Now to find the value of BD, we are using a right angle triangle ABC. 58 plus x upon 76.7 is equal to cos 26 degree. I have used trigonometric ratios. Cos theta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse. Therefore 58 plus x is equal to 76.7 multiplied by cos 26 degree, or 58 plus x is equal to 68.94, or x is equal to 68.94 minus 58. So BD is equal to 10.94 meter. Okay guys, the new question is shown. In these questions, two triangles PRS and PQR are given. What we are going to find? We are going to find in A part calculate QR, and in B part calculate RS. So first of all I am going to calculate QR. So I will take the triangle PQR, and in order to find the value of QR, I am going to use cosine rule. So QR square is equal to 150 square plus 120 square minus 2 into 150 into 120 into cos 25. So QR square is equal to 4272.92. I got this value by using calculator. Now take square root on both sides. Then QR is equal to 65.37 meter. That was part A. Now part B. Calculate RS. To find the value of RS, I am using sine rule in triangle PRS. Therefore, RS upon sine 55 degree is equal to 150 upon sine 80 degree. Then RS is equal to 150 times sine 55 degree upon sine 80 degree. Hence, RS is equal to 124.8 meter. Now in this question, the diagram shows triangle ABC with point G inside. CB is equal to 11 cm, CG is equal to 5.3 cm, and BG is equal to 6.9 cm. Angle CAB is 42 degree and angle ACG is equal to 54 degree. In first part, calculate the value of angle X. So, to solve this part, I am using sine rule in triangle BCG. So 6.9 square is equal to 5.3 square plus 11 square minus 2 into 5.3 into 11 into cos x. From this equation, cos x is equal to 5.3 square plus 11 square minus 6.9 square upon 2 into 5.3 into 11. And after calculating the value, we got cos x is equal to 0.8703 and x is equal to inverse cos of 0.8703. Hence x is equal to 29.5 degree. Now in part 2, I am using sine rule in triangle ABC. AC upon sine 54.5 degree is equal to 11 upon sine 42 degree. Therefore, AC is equal to 11 into sine 54.5 degree upon sine 42 degree. Hence, AC is equal to 13.38 centimeter. Now the next question is, the diagram shows triangle ABC. In first part, use the cosine rule to calculate BC. So I am using cosine rule in part 1. In first part, BC square is equal to AC square plus AB square minus 2AC into AB into cos theta. And BC square is equal to 8 square plus 13 square minus 2 into 8 into 13 into cos 79 degree. And BC square is equal to 193.3 degree. 193.3, and taking square root on both sides we get BC is equal to 13.9 meter, which is the length of BC. Now in second part I am using sine rule. Sine ACB upon 13 is equal to sine 79 degree upon 13.9. So sine ACB is equal to 13 times sine 79 degree upon 13.9, or sine ACB is equal to 0.918. You can check this value through your calculator. Now angle ACB is equal to inverse sine of 0.918. Hence angle ACB is equal to 66.65 degree. Now in next question, the diagram shows a field ABCD on horizontal ground. A part, there is a vertical post at C. From B, the angle of elevation of the top of the post is 19 degree. Find the height of the post. Now I am going to solve this part A. Post is not shown in the figure, so I have drawn a new figure for the post. In this figure, the height of the post is h and the distance from point B to point C is 107 meter. Angle of elevation is 19 degree. So I am using trigonometric ratios. Opposite upon adjacent is equal to tan theta. Therefore, h upon 107 is equal to tan 19 degree, and h is equal to 107 tan 19 degree. Hence, h is equal to 36.84 meter. That is the height of the post. Now in B part, I am using cosine rule. 107 square is equal to 158 square plus 132 square minus 2 into 150 into 132 into cos BAC. I am using triangle ABC. Now cos BAC is equal to 158 square plus 132 square minus 107 square upon 2 into 158 into 132. And after using the calculator, I got cos BAC is equal to 0.7417. And angle BAC is equal to inverse cos of 0.7417. Hence the value of angle BAC is equal to 42.12 degree. Now move to part C. Use the sine rule to find angle CAD. So sine CAD upon 86 is equal to sine 116 degree upon 132. Therefore sine CAD is equal to 86 times sine 1160 upon 132, which is equal to 0.586. Hence the angle CAD is equal to inverse sine of 0.586. So angle CAD is equal to 35.8 degree. Then I am Moving to part E. The bearing of D from A is 0.70 degree. Find the bearing of A from C, which is equal to 214.20. It is shown in the figure given in the question.